Shiva, Shiva.
Did you decide how much is sugar cane juice
Jadakadaha Sambrama Brahmanita Nirchari Virola Vichi Vallari Virajamana Pudhari Chalala Pavati Kishora Chandra Shekhare Rati Pratikshara. जटाभुजंग पिंगल सुरत्सनामणि प्रभाकदंब कुंकुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिव्य धूपे मदांग सिंधुर स्फुरत्वदुत्तरीय हेतुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरी. ओम नमः शिवाय. सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं, सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं. ॐ नमः शिवाय. प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिम प्रभावलंबिकंठ कंदली रुचि प्रबद्ध गंधरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदं धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे. अखर्व सर्व मंगला कला कदम्ब मंजरी रस प्रवाह माधुरी विजृंभणा मधुव्रतं स्मरांतकं पुरांतकं भवांतकं मखांतकं गजांतकांतकांतकं तमंतकांतकं भजे. इदमपि नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमोत्सवं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन्नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं. हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशिहाति नान्यथा गतिं. विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनो. आई तुझ्या गचरणी आभाळ धरणी येऊन विसावले. देवाधिकाचे संकट जाई गहवली तुझ्याच कृपेमुळे. नाद झंकार तू सारा संसार तू, नाद झंकार तू सारा संसार तू. तुझ्या पायाशी आम्हाला आई जगदंबे, आई जगदंबे, आई जगदंबे, आई जगदंबे.
Okay, we'll continue our stalls here. This is a Honda Power of Dreams. बच्चे सब कुछ कर रहे activities, and next is the chess. That's where we.
Thank you.
They got all types of goodies here. Let's see here. All things. These all the jewelry stalls. They're all like artificial. Sorry. They got the immigration services. These are green card citizen removal, work permit. They got all these goodies here. This coffee. Can ask them. There's a bit.
We are advertising for you.
ISKCON Columbus donated tree. Tree sale offering 1,000 per tree. Namaste Biryani and Restaurant. See the different flags here. Here all the photos.
We have India flag.
You cannot take it, don't you?
I read that over and over again. Listen to it
How?
over and over.
Idli is $5 here and we paid $10 there.
Idli. This is combo, right? We bought combo, right? We bought-
Yeah. No, 3 pieces for $10. 2 pieces for $5. Idli and then one is $7. Haribol, ISKCON, yeah, of course.
Memorable
Yeah, we
events.
came to ISKCON for Jagannath Yatra.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, and we talked with Dr. Gupta over there, and
very
yeah,
nice.
yeah, we are from Charleston, West Virginia, but we are very excited
wow.
to, like, for ISKCON temple to come. We'll be
I'm a
frequent
YouTuber.
visitors.
So much
Oh,
appreciated.
okay.
You know about
Yeah, I got half a million followers.
That's what,
So
yeah, that's
you want?
for that.
That's what I'm trying to.
Okay.
Do you want
Just
for
just
the
for your
microphone about your?
Yes, yes,
Oh,
definitely.
Give me
September
a-
28th,
That's all I can talk about.
20.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, hello, Desi users, we Desi audience. Thank you for stopping by at our stall today. So I am from Namaste Biryani, and then we are a franchisee. We are into 3 locations, and then we have right one in the heart of our Columbus, and then we are specialized in authentic Hyderabad biryanis. That's our so-called special, real special. If you are looking for real dum biryanis, especially in Columbus and metropolitan, so we are the one-stop shop. You guys should stop by for all the things. And then we have a wide range. We have all the South Indian, North Indian, and then we open morning 11 o'clock to all the way to midnight 3 a.m. Morning 3 a.m. So we open morning 11 a.m. to 3 a.m. all 7 days, no holidays, and we are serving to the local Columbus community from last 3 years almost. We just finished our third year, and then today we are at an FII event stall. So we got like the first booth here, and then today we are serving the breakfast, tea, coffee. We have a chat items, live dosa coming, and we have a lot of bakery items also today that we are serving, and we are all excited to see all these audience. Okay, and then the last thing I want to tell you was that we do lot of caterings, and then I really request anybody who are in Columbus, 40 miles radius, we are here. We do lot of catering services every week to all around like 40 miles here. So please do connect with us for your birthday parties, events, kitty parties, you name it, housewarming. So please do connect with us, and we'll be very very happy to serve. And we do live catering also. As you can see, we are about to start our live dosa in a few minutes. We does live dosas, we does live chat, and then we does live tandoor. And other than that, we do all the Indo Chinese and also every Indian item, starting from our entries to appetizers to the biryanis and also our desserts. That's our full blown about us.
What
Okay.
options you have for vegetarians in biryani?
So we have veg biryani, we have Vijayawada veg biryani, we have ulocharu, gongura and avkai biryani, we have paneer biryani,
Wow.
and then if it is a special order, we make jackfruit biryani. Okay, so you name it, we will do it. Okay.
Great. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So the next stop is here. Welcome to Central America. Hello.
Yeah.
Once you're done, can you please go ahead?
Hare Krishna.
She has a
That
stop
Gola
there.
store? Sure. Yeah, sure. We'll be there.
We are
We'll
an
be there.
education and advocacy group for Hindu Americans.
ये लोग शाम तक रहने वाला है
Do you want to
हाँ,
speak
हाँ,
it?
हाँ.
Hello, I'm Geetika Chandan. I'm representing Hindu American Foundation. I'm the director of philanthropy there. What does Hindu American Foundation do? We make it easier to be Hindu in America. So we work with we do a lot of education and advocacy work for our community to make sure that our community is represented well in education sector, in policy sector, in media as well. We train a lot of law enforcement officers. We've been doing a lot of school teacher training as well, attending social study conferences, trying to change the curriculum or help teachers with the lesson plan to have an accurate representation about Hindus in our country here. So please do visit our website. It's hinduamerican.org. Sign up for our newsletter and have all the information right there. We also have Dharma Ambassador classes, and if you would like to, it's free of charge. Here is a QR code. You can sign up for our Dharma Ambassador class. It's once a month. It helps you, equip you with the right tools to talk about Hinduism when you're out in the community, especially with the interfaith community. So please do check out our website. Sign up for our newsletter. This is the QR code to sign up for the newsletter. And do go on our website and let us know if we can help you with anything. Thank you.
This stall is SRV, Madurai Fashion Destination. You can see some of the collections. Then we got the kurti here, $10 kurti. There's Mango handmade clothing. Kurti, men's long kurta.
Hi. It's all like pure 100% cotton with the dot printed on it. It's all men's kurtas. Wow. And how much are those? If you buy one, it is 38. If you buy two, it is $65.
It's good cotton.
Yeah, it's 100% cotton. Top is
Guys, here, fashion jewelry.
really, yeah. Yeah,
Mission Award. I repeat, Mission Award.
I regret to announce that the launch of GSLV Fat Boy was unsuccessful. दूरियां भी कम ना हुई एक अधूरी सी हमारी कहानी रही आसमां को जमीन ये जरूरी नहीं जा मिले रंग थे नूर था जब करीब तू था एक जन्नत सा था ये जहां वक्त की रेत पे कुछ मेरे नाम सा लिख के छोड़ गया तू कहाँ हमारी अधूरी कहानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी हमारी
मार्स जाने के लिए पहले अर्थ की ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स को पार करना पड़ेगा और हमारे पास इतना पावरफुल रॉकेट नहीं है जो इतना फ्यूल कैरी कर सके
British Empire. They call it the Lagan.
पिछले साल बारिश हुई थी और इस साल बरसात नहीं हुई है। हम लगान कैसे भरेंगे? चलो एक बार अंग्रेजों से बात करके देखते हैं, शायद ये साल लगान माफ कर दे।
तो हम लोग जैसे कोलंबस इंडिया में लमे हैं और ये एडवर्टाइज दिखा अमेरिकन सेंटर फॉर क्रिकेट दिस इज लाइक कोचिंग फॉर यंग किड्स एंड वेरी एक्साइटेड टू से दैट अभी अमेरिका में भी क्रिकेट का बहुत क्रेज है स्पेशली वर्ल्ड कप के बाद। और ये देखिए इवन यहाँ के जो लोग हैं जो अमेरिकन है वो लोगों भी क्रिकेट के बारे में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जानना चाहते हैं। इवन हमारे ऑफिस में वर्क प्लेस में भी लोग पूछते हैं कि वो ये क्रिकेट कैसे खेला जाता है। एंड फनी बात है जब आप उनको बोलो कि कोई कोई गेम 5 दिन का होता है दे कैन नॉट बिलीव इट। सो दिस इज राइज ऑफ क्रिकेट इन अमेरिका। How much are they? All are different. You can tell me. I can tell you. What sizes you have? What size you have? What size? I'm not sure. When you buy in yeah. Like when you buy in India, there is never standard size like. No, but don't worry. That's why I will show you the correct size. Wait, no, don't open it.
This is Karnataka, my home state, Karnataka heritage. You can see Hampi, Mysore Palace. I don't find anyone here. Jewels.
क्योंकि मुझे बाद में आपको वापस आइडिया आएगा हाँ हाँ
This one looks small or this is good?
I think this is good for me.
good,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
looks good.
Three for $100.
मैं कलर्स दिखाऊं?
मैं आऊंगी वापस बट कलर्स भी नहीं ये yeah this is good.
Where have you been and what have you been
I know you will not come to me because Anchal is your friend.
But देखिए, near a handicraft Dublin, Ohio. Buy one, get another 50% off.
It's 8 euros.
Classical dance, the Bharatanatyam.
அழகன் அழகன் ஹரஹர சிவன் மகன் முருகன்
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेदिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कंठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते शिरवरवर्षिणि कुन्दरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषपोषिणि घोषरते अनुजनिरोषिणि दिविसुतरोषिणि तन्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह भावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गमालिका टमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं प्रणोतु नः शिव शिव जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान भगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणम्
This is good. Telugu booth. Telugu Association of Central Ohio.
How much are those blouses?
These ready-made blouses are
All I can see is jewelry and
And
clothing.
like, those are like one size, right? Like I have this.
no it has
This is one of the biggest Indian festival here in Ohio.
Like, can I fit in some like without altering like? Do you have my size?
yeah they're 38. These are sari other sari blouses ready-made blouses I have this one that's good to you
a common like golden or silver like
Silver
that?
pieces. The 3 pieces are on sale. Are you not looking to this
Prices
side?
here one for $40.
Silver
Two
pieces.
for 75. Looks like these are good ones.
I like one blouse I
Which
just
one? Which one you like?
yeah, I think.
Hey,
Saw and
sounds the
yeah, but I wanted like in some
Hindu temple.
But this gold and yellow. You said no Telugu, right? Are you?
when it's from
In my
Ghana.
mission,
Oh,
follow number.
our YouTube
I got the Shishu Vihar,
shooting around. So I don't, up to you if you want to like
Nala
do
Bhagavatam,
literal
Lord
interview or
Ramayan,
something.
Ganesh,
This
Yeshua.
sarees and all.
Yeah. Nah. Here when you go to Indian function, most of the time you wear sari, right? Yeah, that's what. These I bought from Norfolk. Norfolk had Indian same kind of thing. I bought a few kurtis and I brought
They
actually,
are like that.
I actually bought 3 saris from there. Like, yeah. It's thank you.
Ganesh and for each like laddu, namkeen. Hey,
I know. Do you have laddu?
मस्त पवन के थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली तक 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 चिट्टे हो चुनो चुनो को घूमते
So
लाल
if I
लहू
come to some,
के
especially if I like something, I don't go to
ये
sale
सब तू
because
मिला
I don't
मिला
know if
ले
it's discount.
फिर रंग तू खिला
That's
खिला ले ये
it.
सब
However,
तू
in
मिला
Canada, it's
मिला
not
ले
discount.
फिर रंग तू खिला खिला
Can
ले
tell you.
और मोर
I'll
तू
tell you.
मैंने बसंती यारा वो हर तू कितने बसंती
Something 34 or 36.
Hi everybody, I'm Sonika Kaushal. I'm owner of Rhythm Collections. So if you are looking for Indian jewelry, Indian clothing like you can see in US, so this is the hand-picked collection from India like you can see. I have some jewelry as well. So prices are the best prices in market that you can get and unbeatable quality. So if you want to purchase anything from Rhythm Collections, you can reach out to me at 614 614-943-3220, or I have Instagram page, Facebook page at Rhythm Collections, HRIDAMCOLLECTIONS. So please do reach out to me and do the shopping.
Hare Krishna everyone. So we have event-based business which is called Chuski Gola. So we have so many Indian flavors and American flavors as well. The flavors which we have is like Kala Khatta, Kachi Curry, Khas, Rose, Blue Raspberry, Strawberry, mango. We have 2 types of mango, Kacha Curry and क्या बोलते हैं हमारा जो अल्फांजो मैंगो होता है वो है. तो आप लोग प्लीज़ विज़िट करिए और आइए. हम लोगों का इवेंट बेस्ड बिजनेस है. तो जैसे शादी है, पार्टी है, कोई भी तरह का इवेंट है, ग्रेजुएशन पार्टी है, तो हम लोग उसमें ये इवेंट करते हैं. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू स्प्रेड द कलर्स इन योर इवेंट प्लीज़ कॉन्टेक्ट अस. तो ये हम लोगों का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं. So many flavors. और अगर आपको एडिशनल फ्लेवर भी ऐड करने हैं तो यू कैन ऐड एडिशनल फ्लेवर एज वेल. अदर देन चुस्की गोला वी हैव जामुन शॉट्स एज वेल. तो आपको, क्योंकि कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको शुगर अवॉइड करनी है, तो जामुन शॉट इज़ अ गुड सोर्स फॉर टू हेल्प फॉर शुगर, राइट. तो आप लोग जामुन शॉट ट्राई कर सकते हैं. उसके अलावा हम ठंडाई का बिजनेस भी करते हैं. तो अगर दिस ऑल आर इवेंट बेस्ड. तो प्लीज़ कॉन्टेक्ट अस अगर आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड है तो. We have a number here. It's 614-680-8687. And my name is Tina, and we have our crew. He's my husband, Kart. So, and he's my son. He's also helping. So हम लोगों ने जो चुस्की गोला है वो स्टार्ट किया था 2017 में. एक्चुअली वी स्टार्टेड दिस चुस्की गोला इन अ व्रज टेम्पल पेंसिल्वेनिया, क्योंकि हम लोग ठाकुर जी को बहुत मानते हैं, तो हम लोगों ने वहाँ से चालू किया और वहाँ पे जो भी होता था वो हम सब डोनेशन में करते थे. इवन दिस गोला ऑल्सो वट एवर वी कलेक्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द मनी गोज इन डोनेशन. So please support our community, support our temple and other things. Thank you so much. Please contact Chuski Gola, and if you can also go to our website chuskigola.com. आप देखिए उसमें आपको जिस तरह
Thank
का
you.
करना
Thank
है.
you.
Come on, everybody, say, मेरी रानी रानी देखा चली कहा ऐसे उड़ने